Hi friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show some very important yoga stretches for expecting mothers. This is prenatal yoga. So these yoga stretches you can do in the first semester and second semester of your pregnancy. These yoga postures are very important for all the expecting mothers, because they help to open the pelvic floor, which helps for easy delivery. And also during pregnancy, usually women develop back pain, so we can strengthen the back and glutes and hips. Don't take stress or tension or anxiety during pregnancy. Be happy and cool and try to read some good books and keep yourself relaxed and listen to your favorite music. And do these yoga stretches, which will relieve your stress and anxiety and helps for normal delivery. Even the pains during delivery will be very less if you do these stretches all through your pregnancy. Okay, and do write to me in the comment section how did you feel after doing these yoga stretches. Your feedback is very important for me. Okay friends, so let's start. Okay, first posture is cobbler pose. Bring your feet together. Hold your toes, try to push your knees down, not like this, try to push your knees down. You can feel the stretch in the hips and inner thighs, back straight, pushing your knees down and hold, breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Now hold your toes with the left hand, take your right hand back behind your spine, as much you can take back. Breathe in, breathing out. With the help of your hands, try to twist your spine and turn back, look back as much you can. Hold here, breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, This will help to relieve your back pain and the tightness of muscles. So change hand, hold your toes with the right hand. Left hand behind your spine. Breathe in. Breathing out. Twist yourselves, turn back. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Now sit comfortably with crossed legs and take your right hand right side. Breathe in. Breathing out. Stretch as much you can. Bend towards right side. Hold and breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2 deep breaths. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Breathe in and change side. You can feel a lot of stretch in the sides. It's also very good. And breathing out. Stretch other side. Go down as much you are comfortable. Listen to your body and do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Breathe. Okay, now one more important stretch is bridge pose. Again, this will strengthen and relieve your back pain. So slowly come down, supporting your elbows. Relax your upper body. Bend your legs, hip distance, not very wide, not very close. And now stretch your hands above the head. Interlock your fingers and stretch your hands up. Breathing, breathing out, squeezing your butts. Push, lift your hips up and push them. Push your hips up, hold here, squeezing your glutes, squeezing your abs and pushing your hips up. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, together and open your knees. Again, relax in butterfly pose. This is very good to relax in this way. Separate your hands, stretch hands and breathe in, breathe out. Relax here. Even when you're lying on the bed, when you're sleeping, try to relax in this way in butterfly pose. Then you can sleep normal as you feel. Okay, turn one side, if possible turn right side, support your hands down and rise up. This is how you need to rise up. Okay, one more important posture is cat-cow stretch, which is very good again to relieve the tightness of the spine and also back muscles, and overall it is very good. Okay, come up into animal pose. You can adjust your hands and adjust your knees. You can separate your knees more wider if you are in the second semester. So adjust your hands shoulder distance. Breathe in. Start from the tailbone. Drop your tailbone. Pushing your spine down, and lastly lift your head and neck. As you breathe out, again curl your tailbone, arching your spine. Lastly, bend your head and neck, chin to the chest. Always start from the tailbone. You should drop this tailbone first, then slowly the upper back, lower back, upper back. Then lastly, lift your head and neck. Again, curling your tailbone, arching your spine. Lastly, bending your head and neck. Breathe out here. Follow with deep breaths. And relax. Sit back. Now separate your knees. Walk your hands down and bend as much you are able to bend this way. 1, 2, 3. This is a variation of child pose because you can't go down, you just can do with this way, and also try to bend your head. This relieves your stress and anxiety during the pregnancy, and also it helps for stretching your spine and hips. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in and rise up. Okay, one more important posture is down dog. So from here, from Vajrasana, just take your hands, rise up, lift up your hips, tuck your toes and lift your hips up. You can keep your legs separated as comfortable with your tummy and hold here. This again is a lot of good stretch for your back, and also blood comes to the head, so it relieves your stress and anxiety. So hold here, breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring your knees down and sit back. This is very good. Just try to hold the posture and take deep breaths. Okay, now slowly try to support your hands down and rest your body. Slowly turn onto your back. Stretch one leg at a time. Relax in Shavasana. This is also very good to relax your body and mind after doing the yoga stretches. Let the feet drop to both sides. No tension, no tightness in the muscles. Separate your hands, not very close. Separate them little away from your body and relax. Shoulders also relax them, no tightness. Relax each and every part of your body. And observe, take your mind to each part of your body and observe the sensations and changes inside your body and mind. Slow deep breathing. Relax your body. Relax your mind. So try to lie down in Shavasana at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, to relax completely your body and mind. Now turn right side. Support your hands and lift yourselves up and sit comfortably. Okay friends, so do follow these yoga postures which are very useful for first, second, third semesters, and if you do these yoga stretches regularly all through your pregnancy, you will smoothly pass through the delivery. Even the pains will be very less. Okay, so do try and keep yourselves happy and healthy. See you in another video. Thank you for watching. Namaste.